Okay then, in this particular section I want to discuss what we call a Gartley. Now a Gartley is a convergence of Fibonacci retracement and extension levels. We have up Gartleys and we have down Gartleys. So the first thing I want to show you is a down Gartley, and then we'll go on to show you an up Gartley. Okay then, looking at this example, we can clearly see that we have a down A, B. We also have our trend line in place, and we've drawn in our Fibonacci. And what we have here is we've got our extension level, the 38.2, the 50, the 61.8, the 78.6 and the 86. But we have a down trend line, and we would expect that wherever we're below this trend line, we are going to find some sort of resistance at the trend line. So whenever we make an A-B swing and we start seeing retracements, that actually creates up sub A-B swings as well. So just let's put our sub A-B in here first of all. This would be your A, this is your B, and of course this would have been your C retracement level right here. So that's your A, B, C of an up sub swing. Now remember, with a Gartley, what we're looking for is we're looking for a convergence, and we're looking for a convergence of the down A, B swing retracement levels with the de-extension level of an up A-B swing, and that would be a down Gartley. So just let's clear this and let me put in my Fibonacci's for the A-B swing that we've just drawn right here. So there we go, and I've made it blue so that it stands out against the red. So what we're looking for is we're looking for the convergence. So if we take a look at the sub swing, so we're looking at the A-B, we have our retracement. The retracement level on this subswing was the 61.8, and therefore we can expect the de-extension to hit the 1.618, this level right here. Now if you take a close look at this level, this de-extension level, you can see that we have got convergence, and the convergence level is at the retracement level for the 618 on the AB swing. This is the AB swing. The retracement level here at the 618 is converging with the de-extension level for the sub up A, B, C, D. The de-extension right here at the 1.618 has convergence with the 61.8. It also has convergence with the downtrend line. And therefore what you would look to do now is you would look to trade this, and you would look to take the trade short, the bounce off the two convergence points, which is your 61.8 retracement level of the main AB swing, the 1.618 de-extension of the up AB swing, and of course the back of the trend line. All three would give you a very, very good and very clear entry for a short trade. Of course, remember, not guaranteed, but you have three convergences there. So just let me clear this for a second. So this is what we call an up Gartley, okay, an up Gartley, because your subswings are moving in the up direction. Something else that you should really remember as well, of course, is past support becomes resistance. And again, take a look at this area. What do we have? We have convergences. We have a convergence between the up AB de-extension 1.618, the main AB swing 61.8 retrace level, the trend line, downtrend line, and past support becomes resistance. So the way that you would look to trade this is you would look to take the bounce off this area right here and trade this in a bearish move. So that, folks, is a down Gartley. Let's take a look at an up Gartley. Okay, then let's take a look at this situation here, and this is what we would call an up Gartley. Okay, now you can clearly see then in this example we have got our main A, B swing. And remember, when we're in an upswing, or we've created an upswing or a downswing, we will have retracements creating sub A, B swings. Okay, so this is your main up A, B swing. Let's place now our ABs for our down sub swing. So that's the A, this is your B. Of course, this would be your C retracement right here. So we now have our AB, oops, just one sec, we have our A sub A, B, C swing. So we have our main A, B swing, and the retracement will create down sub A, B swings. This is your A, B, C retracement. So now what we're looking for is we are looking for an extension level. Okay, so let's now draw in our Fibonacci's for our sub A, B swing. Well, once again, what we have is we have the AB swing here, the sub, we have the sub A, B, C retracement, again just beyond the 61.8, so it's a 61.8 retracement, so we are expecting our D extension to be at the 618, the 61.8, and this would be our D extension right here. So what we're looking for is we're looking for convergences. Okay, I'm just going to extend this actually so that we have a little bit clearer view. Oops. Try and get this right. So what we have now is we've got our A, B swing with our retracement levels here in red, you can clearly see, and we have our sub down swing, a 61.8, when we'd expect the actual extension level to be at the 1618. And what we now need to look at is we now need to look for convergences, where we would have a convergence with a retracement on the main AB swing, the main AB swing, we're looking for that convergence, and the convergence is at the 50, as you can see here, the 50, 1.618. So that's our convergence level. This is where we would expect then to see some sort of resistance some sort of support before we see the bounce. So that's exactly the same as we previously looked. So what we would now expect to see is we would expect to see this market fall to the convergence area, take a bounce off that area and go north, because we have got the convergence areas. And also remember, we've got the up trend line, all converging, all providing a support area. Remember, this is an up Gartley, this is the support area. And once again, remember, always take a look at support resistance areas. Previous resistance now becomes support, and now look what you have additional reasons why that could bounce off on that particular area. We have got previous resistance now becomes support. We've got the 50 retracement on the main AB swing. We've got the 1.618 Gartley, up Gartley on the AB subswings, and of course, as I say, you've got your trend line. One reason why that would be a particularly a good trade. Okay, so that's your up Gartley. Thank you.